Welcome to One-Step Algebra Equations using addition and subtraction version C. If you haven't already, there's a version A and a version B. And of course, there's my video explaining all of this. By now, I hope that you're pros at this and you just want maybe a little extra practice. Maybe you're struggling with it and you still need to just get some work done. That's okay. There's nothing wrong with this. Some people need to cook a little bit more. Nothing wrong with that. Let's get you done. Okay, hopefully you'll feel very comfortable after I do this. So on number one, remember, I need to get letters on one side, numbers on the other. The thing that's blowing it is that 5. If I could just get that 5 over there. So I do the opposite. Why do I do the opposite? Well, because positive 5 and a negative 5 will equal 0. So that's how I get rid of them. And the reason why I have to do it on both sides is you have to use both sides. Because just think of a scale. If I were to put something on the left and not on the right, it's out of balance. So we're really just balancing the equation when you think about it. We just keep it balanced. So now I'm going to go over here to number 11. Let's go right, not down, okay? I don't want to move the 8 because then everything will be on the right and nothing will be on the left. I want letters on one side, numbers on the other. So the right choice here would be to go -3. And when I do that, 8 minus 3 is 5 equals x. Don't worry about what side the letters on, it's fine, okay? So going on here on number 2, I'm going to have a plus 11 and a plus 11. Boom, they die, x equals 15. Let's go over here to number 12. Who do I move? I want to move the 7, and the reason why is because I need something on the left. If I move the 6, I won't have anything left. Signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number, which is positive. Let's keep going. Number 3, I have a minus 14 and a minus 14. Boom, they're gone. My x is all by himself, so I know I moved the right one. Add a line, change a sign. Signs are the same, add and keep the sign. Going on over here to number 13, I want to move the 6, not the 15. If I move the 15, there's going to be nothing left on the left. 15 minus 6 is 9 equals x, okay? Going over to number 4, we're going to move the 3 so we can get the x all by himself. X equals 15. Let's go over to number 14. I'm going to move the 5 this time. Okay, we're just rearranging furniture. That's all we're doing. You just got to know what you're allowed to do on rearranging the furniture. Number 5, well, and also, who do you arrange? Do I want the 8 to go over? Nah, I want the 7 to go over. Because I need letters on one side, numbers on the other. I don't want letters and numbers on one side. That's crazy. Okay, so now I have this minus sign, add a line, change a sign. Signs are the same. I'm going to add them up and keep the sign. You can learn that from another video I have in the foundations where we talk about adding, subtracting negative numbers. If this is a little too quick for you, that'd be a really good thing for you to go look at. Ooh, that's a little ugly right there. Let me erase that. Boom, 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 boom. And let me replace that by an equal sign, and that equals x. Okay? Going on, plus 10, plus 10. I want to get my 10 over to the right side there. And that's how I do it. Okay, on this one, I want to move the 2. The reason I want to move the 2 is I want my x to be all by himself. Now I got to do the math here. Signs are different. I subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number, which is negative. Number 7 here, I want to move the 9 to the other side. Doing that gets my x all by himself. And 20 minus 9 is 11. Let's go over here to number 17. I'm going to go minus 4, boom, die. My x is all alone, and 13 minus 4 is 9. Going here to number 8, we're going to go plus 2, boom, die. X equals, signs are different, subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. Going over here to 18, we're going to go plus 10, boom. That's a little ugly, sorry about that. I'm left with an x equals, signs are different, so I'm going to subtract and keep the sign of the bigger number, which is positive. Remember, all that signs are the same, add, keep the sign, signs are different, all that. It only works as if an addition problem. If it's a subtraction problem, you've got to do stuff like this. Add a line, change the sign. Okay, and I went through that in our foundations videos if you want to learn how to subtract negative numbers. Over here, I have a -8 and a -8, boom, die. X equals, add a line, change the sign, -1. And yeah, just doing a little extra work, doing a little extra writing. And yeah, I'm a little sloppy. I don't have the greatest penmanship in the world. That's okay, though. Signs are different. Subtract, keep the sign of the bigger number. But if you see, when I write them all out, it's really hard to make a mistake. Okay, silly mistakes happen when you do them in your head. Just take the extra 5 seconds and write it out. You're probably going to get them more right. All right. Well, I've got an answer key now set up for you. If you got any of these wrong, go back and see what I did, and hopefully that helps you out. So now you have 3 versions. You should be pros at this right now. If you haven't already, go on to the next section and learn how to do one-step problems using multiplication and division. Take care, y'all.